Hi, my name is Steve, and when I travel, I like to mingle with locals and what they do. I believe that's the way to really know the place I'm visiting. In Puerto Vallarta, I found a tiny spot I loved. It is the food park. It is a casual open-air dining place with a lot of mini restaurants. Each one of them specialized in different cuisines. The first time, I tried the local seafood, of course, but I came back and tried it all, from tacos to Asian, going through pizzas, burgers, and even a fine cut. The food you get it yourself, but the guys at the bar have a very friendly service, and they will bring to your table anything you order. I had a bottle of Cabernet for $11. Food Park is great for its variety of flavors, the open-air ambiance, the live music, the free parking, and their convenient location. I love it, and I believe you will love it too.